Yeah, I know. I just didn't know if you had any extra you didn't want.
Don't make sound.
You know, Dunham's, if you go to Dunham's, you get a discount if you're AAA. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It sounds so nasty.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, the MRI will show everything. Well, it's still better to know what you're dealing with. And the only way you're going to know that is through the MRI. No, well, just that we're fixing up the basement for I turn it into a little gym. Because my girls are going to go twice a week now. So, yeah, so. Yeah. So we're
Don't do that.
into a little gym. I do one day, but then the second day they want to come here, and then it may turn out that their second day may be here as well, so we're kind of playing that by ear. So, we're fixing up the basement. No, 35. Yeah, it's real cheap. But these girls, they're poor, so I'm even giving them even a